Hello. Now we are starting the method, the integration by method of substitution. The method of substitution very important things because it plays a vital role in integrations. You know that the chain rule. Similarly, chain rule is very necessary for derivative. It is also very necessary for integration. That's the method of substitution. What is the method of substitution? Now we have discussed about it. What is the method of substitution? You look integration of fx dx. For example, integration of fx dx. If fx is not in the form of your formula, if it is not in your form, for example, you are taking integration of ax plus b to the power 100 dx. You already know that the formula of ax plus b dx, but ax plus b to the power 100, it is impossible to find. Whether you are using binomial theorem, whatever you may be, it is very important to using substitute method. What do we substitute? In this case, taking x plus b is equal to z. Taking put ax plus b is equal to z. X plus b is equal to z. Differentiate both sides. That is d by dx of ax plus b is equal to dz by dx. Now, you know a is the constant, taking outside x derivative 1. So that is like a only a, b is constant, derivative of b is 0. So ax derivative, what is the derivative of x is equal to a. So dz by dx that is dz by dx is equal to a. dz by dx that is a. So dz is equal to a dx. dz is equal to a dx. dz is equal to a dx. Now we use x plus b is z. So dz by a is equal to dx. dz by a is equal to dx. Now we are putting in this case integration ax plus b taking as z to the power 100 dx. dx is equal to dz by a. That is the substitute. What do we substitute? We substitute x plus b is equal to z. I mean x plus b जगह कौन बचेगा z बचेगा. That is we substitute. That is x plus b is equal to z. So z to the power 100 dx means that is dz by a. You remember how dz is equal to a dx, dz is equal to a dx, so dx is equal to dz by a. So dz by a, where a is a constant, 1 by a taking outside, that is z to the power 100 dz. You already know the formula x to the n, integration of x to n, the power is increasing 1, that is 1 by a, z to the power 100 plus 1, divided by 100 plus 1 is equal to 101 plus c. C is the constant of integration, that is 1 by 101a into z, the value of z, you have put the value of z is equal to x plus b, the value of z is equal to x plus b to the power 100. That is your answer plus c. 101 plus c. You look how we have used that integration can solve by the method of substitution. When you have used the chain rule, if it is a derivative, then taking x plus b as z. Similarly, in substitution, x plus b is equal to taking z and dz is equal to a dx and dz by a is equal to dx, and put the value, we get the answer. So how we have the chain rule? Similarly, chain rule is very vital role in derivative. Also, substitution very vital role in integrations. Now we have doing some after doing exercise. We have doing some problems about the substitution method. Now I am working about the substitution method. You know the formula of sin x. What is the formula of sin x? Sin x, the integration of sin x is equal to minus cos x. But integration of cos is equal to tan x. Tan x derivative, do you know what is the integration of tan x? No, you don't know what is the integration of tan x. So now, for example, taking integration of tan x. integration of tan x dx. Integration of tan x dx. So you not know about the integration of tan x. You only know sin and cos, but not knowing tan, cot, sec, cosec. Now we are discussing about by using substitution method in this process. Okay. Now tan x, you already know tan x is equal to sin x by cos x. Sin x by cos x dx. You already know. So in the case of remember, it is a very vital role. You may remember that the taking the denominator part as z, not numerator part. In this case, the denominator part is cos x, so taking cos x as z. For trigonometric function only, put z is equal to cos x. Put z is equal to cos x. So dz taketa you know dz is equal to dz cos x, so that is minus of sin x into dx. But we have come that is only sin x achi. You do sin x, not minus sin x. So that implies minus of dz is equal to sin x dx. So instead of a sin x dx, we have used minus dz. We have used minus dz. That is taking minus outside dz by z. You know this formula dz to dx by x. You know this formula dx by x is equal to ln x by log x dot or whatever you may be. Ln x, that is minus of ln z plus c. You know the value multiplied with in the power before logarithm is going to power of the variable. So that is ln z multiple is minus 1. So that can also write in as z to the power minus 1. That minus 1 power of the z plus c. So z to the power minus 1, you know ln 1 by z plus c, where z is the value of z is cos x. The value of z is cos x. You put the value of cos x. Z here is cos x. Ln 1 by cos x plus c. That equal to ln sec x plus c. That is your answer. So integration of tan x dx the integration of tan x dx केतना that is मन रखियो remember कौन करिवो ln sec x plus c. That is the formula. देखो again I have told you that factorize, that is tan x is equal to sin x by cos x. Put the denominator part as z, so z is equal to cos x. Then dz is equal to cos x, so minus sin x dx multiply here minus sin x dx. So minus multiply karo because you have only sin x dx. So minus dz is equal to sin x dx. So minus taking outside dz by z. You know dz by z is equal to ln z. Minus is multiplied. Minus means minus 1 is multiplied. If logarithm minus 1 is multiplied, then it is going to power of z. Z to the power minus 1. Z to the power minus 1 is equal to 1 by z. Put the value of z. Z value is that is cos x. 1 by cos x. You know already 1 by cos x is equal to sec x. So ln sec x plus c. That is the formula for tan x integration of tan x ln sec x. Similarly, we are going to cot x. After tan x, we are going to cot x. You look seriously, very important topic for integrations, which I am now going to discuss. Example, cot x, integration of a cot x. Integration of a cot x dx. So you know cot x dx that is equal to integration of a cos x by sin x. Similarly, tan x, you know tan x to sin x by cos x, where cot x is equal to cos x by sin x dx. Now, taking the denominator part as z, because it is a trigonometrical function, taking the denominator part, where here in this case the denominator part is sin x, put z is equal to sin x. So dz is sin x derivative, that is cos x dx. देखो ये already on the numerator part, cos x dx already numerator side. So in this cos x dx, instead of cos x dx, we have used dz. That is dz cos x dx, that is dz, and sin x is equal to z. dz by z is equal to ln z by log e z. Ln z, that is using natural logarithm. Ln z, the value of, put the value of z. Value of z is, that is value of z is sin x. Ln sin x plus c. Ln sin x plus c. So the integration of a cot x dx is equal to ln sin x plus c. Some of the authors are written that is sin x as positive because logarithm, no value of logarithm never be negative. So you already use that is that taking modulus because sin x value because sin x value is varies from -1 to 1. So -1 to 0 part is the negative part, not used in this case. From -1 to 0, not used in this case, because the negative value of logarithm cannot exist. Hence, you taking that is mod of sin x, that is also mod of sin x. That is another example. We are going to sec x. No, now we are discussing already know first formula, that is sin x and cos x. Then I know today tan x and cot x, integration of tan x and cot x. Now I am going to integration of sec x and cosec x. Now sec x, that is sec x, integration of sec x. Dekho, when you are going to integration of sec x, it is very important to remember this part, because it is very important, because we have multiplying sec x plus tan x both numerator and denominator. Why I am discussing, then I have told why I am multiplying sec x into tan x. That is sec x whole into sec x plus tan x. Multiplied sec x into tan x in numerator, hence it is divided in sec x plus tan x also in the denominator. You look, that remember, when you are going to integration of sec x, you must multiply that part sec x plus tan x into the numerator side and divided sec x plus tan x denominator side, because it is the only way, neither other way to solve this process. So you must to remember that part, particular that part sec x plus tan x multiplied with the numerator and also divided in denominator. Now the numerator part is sec square x plus sec x into tan x. After multiply sec x with sec x, that is sec square x, and sec x with the tan x, that is sec x into tan x, whole divided by tan x plus sec x. Sec x plus tan x is same as tan x plus sec x. I already told from before that when you are going to integrate a trigonometrical function, taking denominator as z, so taking z कहते put z का गुना, put z is equal to tan x plus sec x. देखो, taking z is equal to denominator side tan x plus sec x. If z is equal to tan x plus sec x, then dz is equal to, what is the derivative of tan x? You know, tan x or derivative of tan x is equal to sec square x plus sec x. The derivative of sec x is equal to कहते हैं sec x into tan x into dx. देखो, you look up अपने the numerator side. Here sec square x plus sec x tan x into dx. It is also sec square x plus sec x into tan x whole into dx. So the upper side is dz and lower side is, but the denominator is z and the numerator is dz. So dz by z, you already know, ln taking modulus value sec x plus or tan x, because dz by z is ln z, that is ln z plus c. You put the value of z value is tan x plus sec x. So sec x plus tan x or tan x plus sec x, whatever you may write. So that is answer. So integration of sec x dx is equal to ln sec x plus tan x plus c. It is similarly we are doing the integration of cosec x. Only one integration part is remaining, because I am already discussing about sin, cos, tan, cot, sec, and only that is cosec part is remaining. Now I am going to solve this problem also. How? We have solved these methods by using substitute. Substitute means taking the put something is equal to z, that is substitute method. So sec square x, we have used integration cosec square x, the cosec x, that is cosec x. In this similarly, you have remembered that cosec x, you multiplying cosec x minus of cot x, cosec x minus of cot x. In case of tan sec x, you multiplying sec x and plus tan x. But in case of a cosec x integration, you multiplying cosec x minus cot x in the numerator side, also divided that in denominator side. That is cosec x minus of cot x. Since it is a trigonometrical function, you already know, taking the numerator part as z, taking z is equal to put z is equal to, that is substitute method. Put means you substitute the value of z is equal to, put z is equal to cosec x minus of cot x. So cosec x minus of cot x. So dz is equal to cosec x, integration of cosec x, you already know, integration of cosec x is equal to minus of cosec x into cot x, minus of cot x or integration of plus of cosec square x dx. You look, cosec x into cosec square x, cosec x into minus cot x, minus cosec into cot x. So upper part is dz and lower part is z, taking that z. So upper part, the cosec x into cosec x is equal to cosec square x, and cosec x minus cot x is equal to minus cosec x cot x. So dz, the upper part is dz, means the numerator side is dz and the denominator side is z. So dz by z is equal to ln z plus c, where the value of z is equal to, the value of z is equal to ln z is equal to cosec x minus of cot x plus of c. That is the integration of cosec x and dx. You look, that is the integration of cosec x minus of cot x. Similarly, some substitute I am giving to some examples. What to do? That is, what to do you have now. For example, I am giving cos ax plus b dx. In this case, you are taking ax plus b as z, taking ax plus b as z. So you can easily find out. Now I am going to solve some problems in your books. Exercise 9b, I think exercise 9b. Yes, exercise 9b. I am going some problems. There are only 8 problems in your books, but each problem some bits, like number 1 having 10 bits and number 2 having 7 bits. Similarly, other also some bits. Now I am going some serious problems I am going to do on the blackboard. Look, so exercise 9b. Some important problems that I am going to solve. If you have any doubt, you can also ask me in the doubt class also. Number 1, for example, for exercise 1, first problem I have going to do. Exercise 9b. Exercise 9b. Number 1 I. Number 1I is sin 3x dx. That is integration of sin 3x dx. Sin 3x dx. Sin 3x dx. You look, sin 3x. How to find the, because similarly in derivative case, taking the multiple angle as t. In this case, the multiple angle is 3x. Taking 3x as z. Put 3x as z. Put 3x as z. If 3x is equal to z, then 3 dx is equal to no doubt dz. So we have not 3 dx, only dx. So 3 is divided. So dx is equal to 1 by 3 dz. That 3 is divided in right sides. So you put to the value sin 3x, integration of sin 3x, that is sin z. Dx means 1 by 3, taking 1 by 3 as a constant, taking outside dz. So sin is z dz, integration of sin z dz is equal to, you know already, minus of 1 by 3 cos of z plus c. Because sin z, integration of sin z is minus cos. So that is minus 1 by 3 is multiplied with minus, that is minus 1 by 3 cos z. Put the value of z, the value of z is equal to 3x. So minus of 1 by 3 cos 3x plus c. That is your answer. You look how we have solved this problem using substitute method, that is using 3x as z. You look this blackboard, using 3x as equal to z. So 3 dx is equal to 3 dx is equal to dz. But I have in your question, that you look in your question the sin 3x dx, not 3 dx. Hence dx is equal to 1 by 3 dz. Sin 3x, that is sin z. Dx is equal to 1 by 3, taking 1 by 3 outside of the integration. So sin z dz is equal to minus cos z. So minus 1 by 3 cos z. Putting the value of z is equal to 3x. That is minus 1 by 3 cos 3x plus c. So that is question number 1 and I. So some questions you will also solve these problems 2i, 3i, iv and vi also. V2i and V3i, I am going only V3i, not V2i. In case of V2i, you put x plus 2 is equal to z, you will easily solve. Similarly, in case of a V3i, given the NB in your books, taking x plus pi by 4 is equal to z, so dz is equal to dx is equal to pi bar is constant. Now let's solve this number, question V3i. Now I am going to solve V3i. You look, I have solved this problem V3i. V3i, integration of cosec x plus pi by 4, cosec x plus pi by 4 into cosec into cot into cosec into cot x plus pi by 4, cot x plus pi by 4 dx. This question already gave the hints in your books. Taking z, now put z is equal to x plus pi by 4. Z is equal to x plus pi by 4. So now derivative differentiate both sides. So dz is equal to, you look, dz is equal to dx, where pi by 4 is a constant. So pi by 4, derivative of pi by 4 is equal to 0. So dz is equal to dx. Now put the value of dz. Cosec z x plus pi by 4 is equal to z. Cosec z into cot z into dz. You know cosec z, cot z, you know the formula cosec x, integration of cosec x into cot x formula. Cosec x into cot x dx is equal to minus cosec x plus c. Similarly, that is minus cosec z, minus of cosec z plus c. Put the value of z, z value is x plus pi by 4, minus of cosec z, put the value of z, z is equal to x plus pi by 4, z is equal to x plus of pi by 4 plus of c. You look, the value of z is here, put z is equal to x plus pi by 4, so answer is minus of cosec x plus pi by 4 plus c. Now I am going to do some another questions. In your books give the hints, ix taking xq as z, similarly x taking ex is equal to z, but I am going to do number xi. How to xi is solved in this process, I am going to do. Okay, xi. xi is integration of sec square root x by root x, integration of sec square root x, sec square root x, no? Sec square root x, yes, sec square root x by root x dx. Just you are taking root x is the multiple angle that z, put z is equal to root x. So dz is equal to the derivative of root x, we already know 1 by 2 root x. Root x, so derivative of root x is equal to 1 by 2 root x dx. We have a dx by root x, but 1 by not 2. So 2 is multiplied in this side, divided in this side, left side, that is right side divided. It is also multiplied in left sides. So 2 dz is equal to dx by root x. You look, dx by root x is present. So sec square root x means that is z, sec square z, dx by root x is equal to 2 dz, taking 2 outside, that is dz. So sec square dz is equal to, you know, sec square x integration that is tan x, so sec square z is tan z plus of c. Put the value of z, put z is equal to root x, that is equal to 2 tan root x plus c. That is your answer. So sec square root x by root x dx integration, that is 2 tan root x plus c. It is your number exercise 9b. Number 1 is completed. Now I am going to number 2. You look also number 2 also trigonometrical functions. In this case, I 2i given the hints, I 2i already gives in the hints. So now I am going to 3i, iv and other problems. Okay, now I am going to other problems. 3i. Number 2, 3i. Number 2, 3i. Number 2 or 3i. Number 2, 3i. I 2i is given the hints taking z, but to number 3i cosec square x divided by 1 plus cot x. Integration of a cosec square x 1 plus cot x. You look in this case, upper part is trigonometrical, lower part also trigonometrical. So taking denominator as z, put z is equal to 1 plus cot x. The denominator side of the integration, because it is a trigonometrical functions, both numerator and denominator also trigonometrical. So z dz is equal to, since 1 is a constant, the derivative of 1 is 0, cot x derivative is equal to minus of cosec square x dx. We have on the numerator part is cosec square dx, not minus cosec square dx. So minus is multiplied both sides. So minus of dz is equal to cosec square x dx. Cosec square x dx. You look, integration cosec square x dx is equal to minus dz. So minus is taking outside dz by z, because 1 plus cot x is equal to z. dz by z is equal to ln z, that is minus of ln z. Z value is equal to 1 plus cot x plus c. You know that minus 1 is multiplied with the power. So ln 1 by 1 plus cot x plus x plus c, sorry. That is minus 1. 1 plus cot x to the power minus 1. Minus 1 is equal to 1 by 1 plus cot x. That is cos by sine. So that is equal to ln 1 plus cot x equal to cos by sine. LCM is sine. Sine is multiplied upper part of the numerator. So sin x, that is it. Sin x plus a cos x. Plus c. That is your answer. Ln sin x divided by sin x plus cos x. Because cot x is equal to cos x by sin x. So LCM is sin x and sin x multiplied with 1. That is sin x by sin x plus cos x. Ln sin x by sin x plus cos x plus c is equal to ln sin x by sin x plus cos c plus c. Integration of the cosec square x over 1 plus cot x.